Okay. Whew, okay. If Michael sends me another goddamn email, I'm gonna kill someone. I haven't washed my hair since last year. It's January 2nd. Hello and welcome to my 2017 favorites video. Me and my camera are playing this really fun game called How Many Times Can You Die while I'm filming. Let's hop in to my 2017 favorites before my camera dies again. Starting with a perfume, this is something that I have used a few years back and I just kind of forgot about it, and then I re-found it this year and I used the whole body spray and perfume of it, and I bought another body spray recently. This is the Victoria's Secret Tease. I love the smell of this. It reminds me of me when I was young. Now on to beauty. I have 3 makeup products that I have been loving throughout 2017. The first is a powder foundation, and this is the Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Airbrush Foundation, and this is in the shade Light Medium Beige. I have a lighter shade of this. I was like looking in my lab. I don't have it here. I have it down at school with me because I have been really into self-tanning, and this is the shade for me that I use when I am tan. I have really dry skin, so a lot of liquid foundations don't work for me, and this works really well. It's very full coverage, just very flawless. It doesn't wear off during the day. Next is a mascara, and this will come as no surprise to like most everybody who has ever seen a video of mine. This is the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume, the orange tube. I use this religiously, and yeah, I just found that this is the best mascara applicator and formula because it doesn't flake off, and just, it's great. It's fantastic. My last makeup favorite is a highlighter, and this will also come as no surprise to people who have watched my previous videos. This is the MAC Soft and Gentle Highlighter. I hopped on this bandwagon so late. This has been out for I don't even know how long, but I just hit pan on it not too long ago, and I've had this. I got this like the end of 2016, and I've just used it since. It's the best highlighter for my skin tone. Yeah, it's just the best highlighter that I found. The next 2 favorites are food and drink favorites. My first food favorite of 2017 is popcorn. My sorority house has an unhealthy obsession with Kirkland popcorn, and that is delicious. For some reason, I've never been like a huge popcorn fan. I've never found the need to pop a bag, you know, take the time. But yeah, just all types of popcorn. I've been a huge fan. The second favorite is a drink at Starbucks, and that is a green tea lemonade unsweetened. The sweetened one sucks, so make sure to get it unsweetened. It's just the best drink. It's light, it's refreshing, it doesn't hurt your stomach, and I really like it. Righty tighty, next category is clothing. My first clothing item is actually what I'm wearing. This is a triple XL sweatshirt. I have been obsessed with oversized clothing this year in particular, but I wear like only XLs and larger if I'm gonna wear a sweatshirt or a t-shirt. I have been loving so many oversized things. Like this sweatshirt, let's see it on. Ooh damn. Or maybe, ooh, maybe this flannel. I look super cool in this flannel. I just got it from Costco and it's an XL. No joke, that's all I wear. The next thing, it's right here. Here it is. It's this black puffy coat from Uniqlo. I'm gonna take it off me since it's making a lot of noise. It is the warmest puffy coat that I have owned. It's not bulky at all, and it's just like the best winter coat that I found. I wore it in Chicago when it was like 2 degrees and I was warm. They have some excellent winter wear. The last clothing item is something that I've owned for such a long time, but I have just worn it so much this year, and it is this flannel from Urban Outfitters. I love this Toby brown color, and I love the checkered box, whatever pattern this is, but like the whole sleeves are falling apart and there's a bleach stain somewhere on it, but this thing is old. I've gotten a lot of use out of it. I'm never gonna throw it away. I love it so much, and definitely a favorite of mine in 2017. I have 2 YouTube channels that I have loved throughout 2017, and plenty of other people have loved them too because they are so popular here on YouTube. It's Casey Neistat and David Dobrik. Casey Neistat, I have been watching his videos for a little bit over a year, and he's just hilarious. I really look up to him when it comes to video making and everything like that. And David Dobrik is the funniest creature to ever be on YouTube. Like, him and his whole friend group, they're all hilarious. They all do these little skits together. I'm sure everybody has seen their videos. I hopped on that bandwagon really, really late. The next thing is an object that I own, and I came back from school this winter break. I came back around like the 6th of December, I think, and I saw this in my room and I was so happy. I was like, oh, that's just so beautiful. It's this fern. It's not alive anymore, but it's a really nice touch in my room. I just love like the sense of greenery that it has. I don't know, just I feel a lot fresher with it in here, like very zen. I just can't imagine living in my room without it. It's just fantastic. The last favorite that I have are shoes. And I have one specific type of shoe that I have been wearing, and that is slides. I mentioned these in a previous video. I have gotten so much use out of these. These are the Ivy Park, like Beyonce brand, and they do not show it. Like, these look brand spanking new. They are just such good quality. I've just been loving slides, and like, I don't think anybody could really tell. I mean, like, I also got a furry pair. These are from Target. Just if I wanted to spice up different outfits, or if I was feeling even spicier than just a furry pair, maybe a platform furry pair. I don't know, just to switch things up a bit. Then I was thinking, like, oh my god, what if I end up going to like Comic-Con or something? So I got these Spider-Man slides, and then I don't know, just like these slides. They were only $5. Then I just thought, like, I don't know, maybe one more pair. These are Forever 21. Yes, these are the ones that Puma and Rihanna sued Forever 21 because they copied them. Yeah, I was cheap and I got the knockoffs. So what? That's really the last pair that I got. Those are all my favorites that I have collected through 2017. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe while you're down there. And I will be back later this week for another video. Bye!